Lindsay. I'm from Omaha, Nebraska.
I'm Trent from Omaha, Nebraska.
So we were actually at our hotel, and we were using a travel agency, and they told us about the night excursion, and so we bought the tickets there.
It was really good. It was a lot
awesome.
of fun.
It was so many different things all in at like one time. It was great. I think the zip lining, just because I was really intimidated, and it went a lot better than I thought. I was really terrified.
I like the pool, the water.
The cenote.
The cenote, yeah. There we go.
Absolutely, just because
It was a lot of fun.
Yeah.
It was worth the money.
It was. You got to do a lot of different things, and it was in a good amount of time. So I would definitely recommend it to people.
And in a beautiful place.
Thanks, Alltournative. We had a lot of fun.